What is going on, YouTube? I am back with another video. It's a little cold, definitely compared to the desert. We are at the shop. We are at Mass Acceleration Motorsports. You guys know they do all of my cars, Chevy, Mopar, etc. Doesn't matter. Custom build, full builds, anything performance related, they do. Now, this is a big update. You guys have been waiting on it. I've been waiting on it. I've just been waiting to be home. But I have a bunch of parts in here. Shout out to BTR, Corsa, Arturo, Circle D, Fisher Built, DSX, and the guys here for putting the car together. I'm gonna show you a few things, give you a sneak peek, let you see all the parts, and then I'll do individual videos for each of them. So I can't wait to show you guys. Let's go. Welcome to the shop. You can see, like normal, a bunch of stuff is going on. But, like I said, DSX, Corsa, Circle D, and then of course Fisher Built, and then Arturo, and we'll dive into each of them right now. But Circle D, as you guys know, BTR sponsored the cam for my car, so I got a new torque converter. Let's not show my address, right? But I got a brand new spec'd out torque converter for the car, so it helps out on obviously a whole bunch of things. Here I am messing stuff up already. I'll talk about the specs in the actual singular video for this, but it got a really nice torque converter for the car. I'm super excited about that. Shout out to Circle D Specialties, hooked a brother up. Then next, shout out to DSX. You guys know I have the DSX lid, but I went ahead and did a new fuel system. Now, this is the hat that connects to the actual battery to the Atlas, and the Atlas is the computer that works for the fuel system, which is here. If you guys don't know, Atlas is something that you need to be able to run the E85 and the flex fuel kit that you can see right here, that most people know what this looks like. Again, shout out to DSX for the flex fuel kit. Just some minor parts. I also got I'm not gonna undo it, some minor parts for the flex fuel sensor. I got the dual bucketed hat, right? So technically I believe it's kind of like the low side fuel system here. It helps me push more fuel through the injectors, obviously with a bigger lobe, but it's gonna be super crazy. Shout out to DSX for hooking me up and helping sponsor the build. And what I'm really excited for is the new exhaust. Shout out to Corsa. I'll be doing a single video where you can get my discount code for your Corsa exhaust. If you guys don't know, this is the best sounding exhaust on the market. This one is a axle back. I got the extreme axle back. You can see those are the mid pipes there, the connecting pipes. And then I got the black Corsa tips. This thing is gonna sound insane. Like I said, each part I'll be doing an individual video, but I wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek into all the parts that are coming in for the car. Now, I can't open the transmission, my shop will kill me, but Fisher built my transmission to, I believe it's a stage 2.5. I believe it's 1100 horsepower. So you can see we are going full out with this build. Now, my car is outside, but we are going full out. Let's check out the tires. You can tell they use a lot of Kong in here, especially with the new 2650 for the Hellcats, which is on that. But big shout out to Arturo tires. They sponsored this full set that'll be going on my drag pack. You can see these are the rears. You can see a nice tread pattern. I'll still be able to get to the track and daily drive it as well. So it's kind of similar and competes with the Mickey Thompson Street SS's. These are the AZ850DR drag race. Can't wait to test them out and give you guys a full explanation of the tire and then test them out at the track. I'll give you guys numbers, what tire pressure I run them at, and how well they hook. And then I did the AZ850s for the fronts. These are 18 by 8s. Yeah, 18 by 8s for the rims, and then they are a 245 50 18. And these bottoms are 305 45 17s. So I can't wait to strap these on and show you what it looks like. And I'll take a little break and show you guys what they have in the shop right now. There's a bunch of cars out back. We got a C170 Elephant. So, you know, I'm not joking. I'll show you the paperwork in a second. Going in a GTX, we have a turbo Camaro. We have a 2650 Hellcat. We have a supercharged Dodge Ram truck being done right now. My motor is over there. You'll see that in a second. And then we have a built BMW here, and then a Firebird in the dyno room getting tuned. And then we'll go outside and look at the cars, but let's check out the motor. And here is my motor. They are putting back together. You can see we have the dampener. That is where the fuel injectors go. Put the valve covers back on. Didn't do any billet stuff right now on the valve covers. Fuel pump, well, it helps with the fuel. You see it's on. It was bare block. He took it all apart. APR studs. Everything within here is BTR. Shout out to Brian Tooley Racing. When I say everything internally is BTR, it's BTR. Cam, all of it, man. I wish I would have got a video of the springs and the clips, etc. But can't wait for this thing to be put back together. It's gonna be insane. We'll see what kind of power we get out of it. Can't tell you everything that's going on. You can see my blower again. Shout out to BTR for helping me get this build put together. Can't wait to do a full video on that. You can see the owner putting together that supercharged 426 truck. Turbo. I may as well show you while I'm right here. Big turbo Camaro. I believe it's twin turbo. Yep, twin turbo. They always got something crazy in the shop. Like I said, we have a full race car BMW. Full roll cage, race seat. Insane builds that go on. Then we have a crazy Firebird LS slot. The grill's not in. I think they're doing a lot of work to it. I think this is a full, I'm gonna call it a restoration build, so don't kill me. But it is a pretty fast car. Got some nice Nitto 555s on it. Again, it is currently getting tuned, obviously because it's on the dyno. Super nice car though. And then they got a bunch of stuff out back. Then we'll go out back and see a bunch more cars that are getting ready to work on. We have a matte green Hellcat. Nice Vossen wheels, kind of similar to my wife's car. Then we have the NA Scat. This is a roll racing Scat Pack, is what I was told, but it is super quick. Crazy spec, and I think it's now turbo, I guess, because of the outlet. But this car is a famous mass acceleration car. We have another Hellcat here. It's just Hellcat galore right now. What's going on? And we got my poor child here. We'll talk about that. Got another Hellcat. I like the hood clamps. Got a Camaro. Got a SRT 300. Got a Scat Pack on a tire. Got a C6 in blue. Z06. They just got everything. All waiting on parts to get worked on. So come to Mass Acceleration. They work on anything, but obviously it's a Mopar shop. See some of the craziness that comes out of here. Well, there you have it. The big update to the Cts-V. Actually, let me show you how big of an update. You can see, like I said, here's the child. Really, really dirty. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. This is how big of an update. Nothing there. So make sure you stay tuned to my next few videos. We'll talk about each mod individually. Make sure you tune in. Everything 1320 happens right here. And we're close. 10 days until she's alive. So stay tuned. We're out.